Good morning guys, day 3 of our trip, and today we are heading to Palm Cove for our kayaking tour to Double Island. This is like a great activity to start the day. But yeah, it's 5:50 a.m. We have to reach there at 6:30, so we are heading out to grab some coffee if we find it and then head off to Palm Cove. This is the ugly car we got yesterday.
Here's your time to shine, oh, show me what you can do.
And this is the driver we got along with it. Palm Cove is just 30 minutes away from Cairns, and we were supposed to reach Williams Esplanade at Palm Cove at 6:30 in the morning to meet the rest of the crew. But before I start, Palm Cove is a beautiful place to catch the sunrise. I mean, look at how spectacular that place looks. Now, coming back to the point, this is Double Island Kayak Turtle Tour that is organized by Pacific Water Sports, and it cost $99, but I got a superb deal from BookMe which cost me just $66, and it takes you on a turtle spotting adventure on the Coral Sea.
Here's your time to shine, oh, show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body.
Once we met our guide and group members, we were handed over stinger suits, life jackets and dry bags to keep our stuff. And after a quick briefing session, it was time to head into the water.
The way we're moving in the dark, with every breath we take, you're falling. Your love, your love, your love. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling. Your love, with every move that I'm making. Your love, your love, your love. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling. Your love, with every move that I'm making. Your love, your love.
Is there a better way to start the day? We are going to kayak all the way over to Haycock Island and then Double Island and then back to Palm Cove.
Body, the way we're dancing in the dark, with every move I make, you're falling. Your love, your love, your love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark, with every breath we take, you're falling. Your love, your love, your love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling. Your love, with every move that I'm making. Your love, your love, your love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling. Your love, with every move that I'm making. Your love, your love, your love.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.
Oh, there it is. There, yeah. I think I got it on my camera.
I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down.
So the reef is right below us. I mean, I can see it. I don't know if the camera captured anything, but I can see the coral reef down under my boat.
Feels like I can fly. I don't need any.
So while all this was happening, we also saw a fin. And yes, it was a shark fin, very close to the kayaks. I freaked out in 1 minute, but Andy told us that it must be a juvenile hammerhead and they were not dangerous at all. Well, whatever you say, Andy, I was scared of hell. And to top that, within 5 minutes of spotting the fin, a couple fell into the water because they were leaning too much on one side of the kayak. You should never do that. Can you imagine my anxiety? I was on the boat and I was so scared for them. but they were fine, they got back up, and no one was harmed. Interestingly, sharks being in the ocean is a sign of healthy ocean, and I was a little happy that this ocean was still healthy, but still scared because sharks, no thank you.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Our next point was to reach some rocks near Haycock Island where turtles usually just sat and basked in the sun. But over there, the wind was so much stronger that the water was much more choppier. I was praying for my kayak to not flip and only focusing on paddling, so I didn't take my GoPro out. But soon we paddled out of there because we didn't really find any turtles and it was pretty risky over there. I was so scared. I mean, I think the guides could see it. But we quickly paddled to the side of Double Island and made our way to the back of Double Island where the water was more sheltered and calm.
Body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take.
And the first thing I did was take out my GoPro.
I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move.
Okay, so we have just stopped here halfway on our kayak tour on a little beach, secluded beach. No one's here. You can only get here by kayaks, and so over here you can rest up, snorkel, swim, whatever you want to do. I'm not doing anything, but my friends are, so I'll show you how it is. And there's a lot of corals fringing this island, so there's plenty to see. We have to put on stinger suits because it's stinger season still. If you are here not in stinger season, it won't be a problem. But jellyfishes are vicious, so rather put it on.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
You can either stand here like me or get into the water like them. This is such a great activity. I was pretty scared at a point, but it's pretty cool and very nice. I'm more comfortable with the waves now. I love you, GoPro.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me.
We also went inside this cave and learnt about the rock formations, stalactites and stalagmites. And I thought this was pretty cool.
I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
hello.
I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do.
We are here at Resort Beach, which is another secluded beach on Double Island, and we are going out for a walk to spot some marine animals, possibly some turtles. I really want to see some turtles, so hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, this is like a great tour. I'm enjoying myself so much, and just these secluded beaches make me happy.
You can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
There are so many marine animals over here. It's incredible.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone.
This resort is fully constructed but abandoned totally. There's only a caretaker who stays here, but everything else is just empty. Pretty spooky.
Here. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you.
They're very nice.
After a little island stop, it was time to head back. From Double Island to Palm Cove Beach, it was another 20 minutes of paddle, and I was feeling a little tired, and it was becoming difficult to kayak because of the wind and the direction of the ocean. But after we finished, I got to know that we were on the water for 4.5 hours and we kayaked for 11 kilometers. That's insane. It surely didn't feel like that, but I'm so happy that I did this. And if you're coming to Cairns, don't miss this kayak tour. You'll love it, and I'm sure about it.
Again.